Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned quotative particle and occative particles in Tulu. Today we are going to learn interjection particles and imitative particles in Tulu. First let us see interjection particles. These particles are used to express feelings or reactions. Let us learn few interjection particles in Tulu. First one, appa or oppa, an interjection of surprise or sympathy. For example, ಅಪ್ಪೆಮ್ಮೆ ದಾಂತಿ ಬಾಲೆನ್ ತಾಂಕರೆ ಏರುಲ್ಲೆರಪ್ಪ. Alas, who is there to bring up the orphan child? ಅಪ್ಪೆಮ್ಮೆ ದಾಂತಿ ಬಾಲೆನ್ ತಾಂಕರೆ ಏರುಲ್ಲೆರಪ್ಪ. ಒಪ್ಪ ಎನ್ನ ಬಾಲೆಗ್ ದಾದಾಂಡ್. Alas, what happened to my child? ಒಪ್ಪ ಎನ್ನ ಬಾಲೆಗ್ ದಾದಾಂಡ್. Next one, amma or omma, an interjection used in the context of relief from trouble, difficulty or pain. Omma enchela illettiya. Thank God we reached the home anyhow. Omma enchela illettiya. Next one, umma, an interjection to express one's unknown. For example, person A, aware, who is that? Person B, umma engottiji, I don't know. Umma engottiji. Next one, ayyappa or ayyamma or oppa or oma, an interjection to express pain or relief. Examples, oh my ansaite, oh God I am dead. Oh ma ansaite. Ayyappa enku bene tadera undiji. Oh God I can't bear the pain. Ayyappa enku bene tadera undiji. Next one, Aisa, an interjection of happiness, joy or to express beauty. Examples, Aisa etu porluda illu. Wow, what a beautiful house. Aisa etu porluda illu. Aisa pakkintule. Wow, look at that bird. Aisa pakkintule. Next one, Ayyo, an interjection to express suffering, grief, pain or difficulty. Examples, Ayyo yandada malpodu. Oh God, what should I do? Ayyo yandada malpodu. Ayyo deva ire kapodu. Oh God, you only have to save me. Ayyo deva ire kapodu. Ayyo maga daya inchamalta. Oh son, why did you do this? Ayyo maga daya inchamalta. Next one, Ayyo, an interjection to express severe suffering, pain, grief, etc. Example, Ayyo enku tuyarapuji. Oh my God, I can't watch it. Ayyo enku tuyarapuji. Next one, Are, an interjection of astonishment. Are iye pavatini. Oh, when did you come? Are iye pavatini. Next one, isi or she or tu, an interjection to express disgust. She aven muttorchi. Yak, don't touch it. She aven muttorchi. Next one, she, to express embarrassment or regret. She yan pokkadavattin. Oops, I came here in vain. She yan pokkadavattin. Next one, ussa or ussappa, an interjection going with an explosive exhalation to seek relief from physical exhaustion. Ussappa vachinink. Phew, I'm tired. Ussappa vachinink. Next one, oba, an interjection to express fear. Oba and podid boy. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Oba and podid boy. ಒಬ್ಬ ಎನರ್ದು ಮಿನಿಯಾವಂದು. Oh my god, I can't do it. ಒಬ್ಬ ಎನರ್ದು ಮಿನಿಯಾವಂದು. Next one, ಎಬ, an interjection of rejection. ಎಬ ಇಂಕ್ ಬರ್ಚಾವ್. Oh no, I don't want that. ಎಬ ಇಂಕ್ ಬರ್ಚಾವ್. ಎಬ ನಿ ಕೇತ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಪನ್ನಡು. Oh no, how many times I have to tell you. ಎಬ ನಿ ಕೇತ್ ಸರ್ತಿ ಪನ್ನಡು. Next one, ebbe or ebbe, an interjection of disgust or reproach. Ebbe ಒಂದು ದಾಲ ಎಡ್ಡೆಜ್ಜಿ. Yuck, this is not good at all. Ebbe ಒಂದು ದಾಲ ಎಡ್ಡೆಜ್ಜಿ. Ebbe ಯಾನತ್ತವ್. Yuck, it's not me. Ebbe ಯಾನತ್ತವ್. Next one, ella, an interjection of surprise, astonishment or grief. Example, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕತೆನೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಕೀನು ನಕುಲು ಏರ್ಲ ಇಜ್ಜೇರಾ. Oh gosh, what a story. No one is there to do justice. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕತೆನೆ ಒಂದಿನ ಕೀನು ನಕುಲು ಏರ್ಲ ಇಜ್ಜೇರಾ. Next one, abba or obba, an interjection of surprise or shock. Obba avenchina. Oh my god, what is that? Obba avenchina. Next one, oho, an interjection to indicate surprise, joy, etc. Oho anchata. Oh, like that. Oho anchata. Oho ayana engotija. Oh, is that him? I didn't know. Oho ayana engotija. Next one, tekku or chekku, an interjection showing contempt. Tekku ancha paterada. Shit, don't speak like that. Tekku ancha paterada. Okay, now let us learn few imitative particles in Tulu. These particles are also called as onomatopoeic words. First one, pachakka or chapakka. This is used to refer to the sound produced by something falling into mud. Example, kallu pachakka kesaragu boorandu. The stone fell down into mud by making the sound pachakka. Kallu pachakka kesaragu boorandu. Next one, kasakka. This is used to denote a sharp object entering into a mass. Example, ಕಾರಗ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಕಸಕ್ಕ ಕಂತಂಡು. A thorn pricked my foot forcibly. ಕಾರಗ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಕಸಕ್ಕ ಕಂತಂಡು. Next one, kitty kitty. This word used to refer to the laughing sound. Kitty kitty. I kitty kitty telte. He laughed by making the sound kitty kitty. I kitty kitty telte. Next one, kusu kusu or kuchu kuchu. This is used to express whispering or secretly gossiping sound. Nikul dada kusu kusu paterunu. What are you people whispering? Nikul dada kusu kusu paterunu. Gaja gaja. This is used to indicate jolting or shaking sound. Maranu gaja gaja kurkaya mata bugari boorandu. I shook the tree, all the cherries fell down. Maranu gaja gaja kurkaya mata bugari boorandu. Gata gata. This is used to refer to the noise produced while drinking incessantly. I gata gata neeru pariye. He drank water by making the sound gata gata. I gata gata neeru pariye. Dadakka. This is used to denote the sense of sudden action. Bus dadakka untandu. Bus stopped suddenly. Bus dadakka untandu. Gada gada. This is used to indicate trembling, shaking, chattering noise, etc. I podidu gada gada kumbarandulle. He is trembling in fear by making the sound gada gada. I podidu gada gada kumbarandulle. Kini kini. This is used to indicate the sound of small bells. A clinking sound. ಎಂಕ್ ಕಿನಿ ಕಿನಿ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೊಂದುಂಡು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. ಎಂಕ್ ಕಿನಿ ಕಿನಿ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೊಂದುಂಡು. ಬಕ ಬಕ. This is used to refer to gulping or swallowing with greed. I baka baka unde. He gulped down his food. I baka baka unde. Gabakka or rapakka. This is used to refer to sudden action. Rapakka vaite gabakka baigi paadiye. He pulled it suddenly from my hand and ate it quickly. Rapakka vaite gabakka baigi paadiye. Next one, gama gama. This is used to indicate fragrance or good smell. Illidi gama gama panondundu. The whole house is smelling good. Illidi gama gama panondundu. Next one, giji giji. This is used to refer to chirping sounds of birds or jingling sounds of anklets. Karada ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗಿಜಿ ಗಿಜಿ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದು ಪೋಯಲ್. She went making sound of her anklets. ಕಾರದ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗಿಜಿ ಗಿಜಿ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದು ಪೋಯಲ್. Chapa chapa or pacha pacha. This is used to refer to the sound of licking and eating by animals. Pucce pacha pacha peru parandu. The cat drank milk by making the sound pacha pacha. Pucce pacha pacha peru parandu. Basa basa. This is used to refer the sound of overflowing or pouring out liquid. Alu basa basa kakkiyal. She vomited by making the sound basa basa. Al basa basa kakkiyal. Next one, puska. This is used to refer to the action of sudden separation and falling. Example, puska jarandu boorandu. It got separated and fell down suddenly. Puska jarandu boorandu. Daga daga. This is used to refer the sound of burning. Daga daga. Illu daga daga puttandu. The house burned down by making the sound daga daga. Illu daga daga puttandu. Baidu maga maga banjidu daga daga. This is a proverb in Tulu used to refer someone who speaks nicely to us but has hatred or jealousy inside towards us. Baidu maga maga banjidu daga daga. Next one, dadala. This is used to refer to the sound of sudden falling. I dadala buriye. He fell down by making the sound dadala. I dadala buriye. Next one, dara dara. This is used to express the sound produced by dragging something with speed. I alenu dara dara hoitondu poye. He went dragging her by making the sound dara dara. I alenu dara dara hoitondu poye. Next one, julu julu. This is used to refer to the flowing of water. Julu julu. Chili chili. This is used to refer to the calm flow of water. Chili chili. Jaga jaga. This is used to refer to shining and luster. Jaga jaga. Jana jana. This is used to refer to the sound of tinkling of jewels, coins, jingling bells, etc. Jana jana. Next one, nyaka nyaka. This is used to refer to the sound of beating or crushing harshly. Nyaka nyaka. Nyara nyara. This is used to refer to the crack sounds at joints, especially of wooden furnitures or at the notch of a tree when it splits. Nyara nyara. Tick tick. This is used to refer to the sound of pendulum. Tick tick. Tine tine. This is used to refer to the sound of gong. Tine tine. Dana dana. This is used to refer to the sound of gong or brass vessel. Dana dana. Dub dub. This is used to refer to the sound of heartbeat. Dub dub. Dibba. This is used to refer to the sound of sudden fall or sudden getting up. Dibba. Dabba. This is used to refer to the sound of an object falling down. Dabba. Taka taka. This is used to refer to the noise of quick dancing movements. Taka taka. Narnur. This is used to refer to the sound of eating fried and crisp eatables. Narnur. Nigi nigi. This is used to refer to the splendor of burning flame. Nigi nigi. Pata pata. This is used to refer to the sound of bursting, flapping of wings, speedy talk, etc. Pata pata. Para para. This is used to refer to the sound of crushing dry leaves, tearing of cloth, drizzling of rain, talking roughly, etc. Para para. Pala pala. This is used to refer to shining. Pala pala. Piri piri. This is used to refer to the sound of drizzling rain. Piri piri. Pili pili. This is used to refer to the act of shutting and opening the eyes quickly, or refer to the action of looking at something with curiosity. Pili pili. Puku puku. This is used to indicate fear in heart. Puku puku. Puchukka. This is used to refer to the sound of spitting. Puchukka. Okay, that's all we had for the day. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.